Okay.
Awesome. In this session, we're going to show you how to place a trade on cattle, on whatever. Well, what's the name? Robin cattle, what else?
Kettle,
Coffee. Yes, and coffee. So let's do coffee first. I'm going to show you how to do coffee.
coffee.
And I told you the reason why we decided to get into coffee using our eight-step strategy. First, coffee price is really, really expensive. Second, using our
Yeah.
prohibition strategies as well. Trump also tweeted that, time to get the coffee prices down. So we are thinking that maybe prices of coffee is going to come down 10 to 20%. 10 to 20% from all-time high. So the target from there, you will be thinking that if the target is 40K now, you should think that it's going to come down to 36K. Yeah. So that's kind of what happens. So
Okay.
let's have a look right now. So you can see the coffee right now. This is coffee. The price right now of the coffee is around 367. It will used to be at 40 when he tweeted. So we are the question right now
Yeah.
is let's place a trade so that you know how to place a trade to get you to be
Okay.
yeah, let's say the target is 36. Okay. So or it might even come
Yeah.
down to 35. Personally, I think it might come to 35 actually. Yeah, 35 is more like it. 35 will be 15% return from 40, something like that. Okay, cool. Let's just do it right now. If I
Yeah.
ask you, show me how do you place the trade, what would you say? Yeah, place the trade.
Okay.
Now, when you
Well,
place the
first of
trade,
all,
yeah, when you place the trade, you always want to think about how much is your maximum loss and how much is your
yeah.
maximum win. Okay, that's always I ask myself, how much am I going to lose first? Otherwise, you're going to be very scared. So let's talk about how much you're going to lose. Let's pretend if you get
Well,
out of the trade right now, which is at 136, where do you think it's going to go up to? The maximum that is probably going to go up to in a really, really bad way is probably around 40. Okay. So 36
okay.
to 40, the difference will be around 3500. So if I do £1 per point here, I would have lost 3,500 pounds. Okay. I repeat, just
Yeah.
if I do a £1 per point here, the worst case situation, it goes to 40, is where I will be losing 3,500. Or why 3,500? I use the highest, the 40,000. I thought it would come up to, and minus 3,600. So the difference would just be 40 minus 3, yeah, 3,600. I think the difference would just be 3,500. So that's the maximum if I do one. Okay. But if I do like, let's say, if I do the minimum is 0.04, you can do anything. You can do zero point 0.5. So if for zero point 0.5, now it might not happen though. I'm just thinking like the worst situation because it's nice to calculate the worst situation. It's nice to calculate if tsunami happen. It's nice to
Yeah.
calculate. It's nice to calculate. Shit, my face. Okay, it's nice to calculate what happened if the tsunami happened. It's nice to calculate oh what's going on. So
Yeah.
that's yeah. So that's kind of what happened. So that is what happened. Okay, so one pound per point, I will lose 3,500. If I well, or even I can only lose £100. Okay, do £100 then 0.01 and then 40 to here. This is 350. So 350, you will have lost 35 pounds. If you put 0.01, you would have lost 35 pounds in the worst case situation. Now let's talk about
Mm-hmm.
the minimum happiness now. Minimum happiness, okay? The minimum happiness is how much would I make minimally. So from 3.6, let's say I will get the target of 3.5, okay? From 3.6 to 3.5, we already got in at 40, but let's say we get on here 3.6 to 3.5, the target is 1K. So if I put £1 per point, I would have made £1,000. And it might even come to 30. Why would it come down to 30? If it comes out to 30, that means we will having 20% discount on coffee. Would it be possible to have 20% discount on coffee from all-time high? You back test it. You do potentially how much? Last time it come from here to here. Last time it come from here to here. So you have to back test a little bit. So let's say it
Mm-hmm.
will come down to here. So
Mm-hmm.
from 36 to 30, the difference is 6. So if you put £1 per point on the size here, size means how many point? 45 to 40, 5,000 pound, 5,000 point. 30 to 25, 5,000 points. So if I put £1 per point here, I would have make 36 to 30, I would make £6,000 just like that. Okay, £6,000.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so if I lost, let's say if it really comes against me, 40 pretend, then I will lost 136 to 40, around 3,500. Okay, exactly what we talked about just now. So that
Yeah.
is how we calculate a single trade in order to calculate how much will you make, how much would you lose. You calculate maximum. Okay, how much will I actually make? And you calculate maximum, how much will I lose first? I always like to calculate lose and the win. And I ask myself, would I be happy with £35 profit? Would I be happy with £1,000 profit? Would I be happy with how many losses? I calculate myself and then I do it that way. Make sense? That's how
Hmm.
you do it.
That
So
makes sense. Yeah.
yeah, so let's do it right now. Let's place a trade right now. Let's do one power per point right now. So that's what happened. You can do it straight away. You do it straight away, you do it deal. Deal means you do it straight away, you don't waste time. I recommend to do that when the price is really beautiful. But sometimes it's nice to get in at the right time. So let's if we want to get in the right time, let's go to minute chart. Let's go to minute chart or 5 minutes chart. Let's go to 5 minute chart. Yep. Change it to 5 minutes.
How do I do our minutes?
Yep.
5 minute charge. Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Awesome.
Okay.
Really good. So on a 5 minute chart, let's see what's gonna happen. Cool. On a 5 minute chart, you can see that potentially there's a resistant line. Resistant line could be a line where you see there's something like that. Okay, a line like that. There's a spike.
Yeah.
So that's where we are. So we will say that buying at 3750 is fine. So do an order and put the price at 3750 and click short. That means if the price comes to 3750, you're gonna get into the trade. That's the meaning of it. Let's do it
How
now.
do I how do I do the order? Oh, click on order, yeah?
Yep.
So that's done. Click on order.
Yep. And then put on the trade. Yep.
I click on here, sell.
Yep.
So one point per minute.
Yep.
The stop is like you said,
Don't worry about the stop.
no,
Click the
no
click the order
limit,
first. Click the order
limit
first. You didn't click the order. Click the order first, boss. Yeah.
order.
You
Yeah,
click deal. Yeah. Click order first. Okay.
yeah,
Good.
order.
And then
Oh,
yeah, do it again. Yeah. Do order and then start.
oh,
Try your best.
okay. So one. So stop the limit. You say it has to go to like 40,000, you say.
Don't worry about the limit. Forget about limit and stop. You don't need that for now. Okay. You don't need a limit.
Okay.
Stop for now.
So price level. So we want to go to 36.
Don't worry about that. Yes, yes, 36. 36 is the point where I want to get into the trade. Okay, why 36? Basically, I want to get on here. There's a spike here. So this is a support line. So it might come up here. And what price is that? That is 375. Okay, so let's
Oh,
do.
three. Yeah. So the price is 375
Yep.
or 3666, whatever, yeah. And
Mhm.
then price level on 3,600, you say?
You calculate yourself.
Or
Try to calculate yourself to see if you get it.
um so at the moment,
Yeah.
well, that's where I'm going to struggle here.
So
So
as
do
I
I look at,
as I said, the price is right now. You have two
yeah,
choices. The first
yeah,
choice is if you want to get in now. If you
yeah.
get on now, that means you are getting on right now, which is okay. But it's nice to wait for a bit, okay? If you want to do right now, it will be deal. But nice to wait for a bit. What are you waiting for? We're waiting for it to come up here. So to get in at the nicer price. So the nicer price is 3750. I normally recommend do both. Do one now and do one at the support or the resistance line. Do it. Try.
Sorry. So
Try your
this
best.
is
I think
this
you've done many
this
trades before. Just try your best. It's good to make a mistake and then I will correct you later. Make a mistake now.
oh,
Actually, place a deal now. Just go on to place a deal now. Click the deal. Yeah. And then click place deal. That's it. Click the place deal at the bottom. Yeah. Click it. Click it. Awesome. That's it. You got it. So you can see you lost £20 now. Can you see at the bottom? He says you lost
yeah,
£20 now, and that's fine. That means you're losing £20 now. So initially, when you place a trade, you will always lose money. So you have placed a trade now. You go into the trade right now on this. Now let's go do a pending order. Let's get onto the trade at 375. Pending order is a bit complicated because you need to know what price you want to buy. Okay, so you have to find
okay.
or you have to find the resistance. Do it. I'll wait.
So the price level then is 375.
Why? Why 375?
Well, because here on the oh, sorry. What did I do? What did you do? I don't know what I did. This one. How come this is so low? Anyway, so you the oh we just
It's on top.
what do I do now to get the thing back?
Click this one. After this phone call, I want you to place 50 trades on this account. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's a,
okay.
so that you know how to use this. But carry on.
Yeah. So so I look at here. This is the highest point, and it's a loss point. So if I look at that, we are sitting here. So
Yep.
that's
Just put the price there. That's where we will buy.
um,
Good. You're doing really well.
so so it's here. I'll move that to here.
Yeah.
Or to here, actually to here. So this is 3000. So I look at the highest spike.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's put it there.
So
Just lowest just for the ease for safety purposes. Now, what I'm trying to do, I want to do the volume that is the highest one. So obviously
okay,
this is higher than that one. So let's just do that. So
yeah,
click on that. So that's the price. Put in there 374.
37 374. And then do I need to put a stop in or not or
No,
limit?
all empty.
All empty. Okay. So just I decide to have £1 per pip. Is
Yeah.
that correct?
Yeah.
And
Good.
then so I look at the highest price, which is here.
Yeah, very good. It's good that you know how to read
So
that. Mm.
and at the order. So what is my next? Do I place the order or do I what is my
Yeah,
next
that's
step?
it. Just click the place the order.
Place the order.
Select a direction,
Oh,
it says. Mm.
so place limit order. Order placed. Okay. So is that then?
Order is placed. Good. Let's go and check your order. Go to your position and go to your order and see. Okay, let me explain the position for a second. Now, you can
Okay.
see the position now, it says negative 50, negative 60 pound. Can you see? We'll be like, oh, why is
Yeah.
it negative? Is normal. Okay, when you first started, when you first do is negative. So this is why I say you do a pending order here because when it reach here, it will normally comes down straight away. Okay, but initially it's like that. It's going sideways for a bit. Okay, but if you do a pending order here and it comes down, you will make money kind of straight away. But the problem is it might not reach here. So to be safe, we get in straight away right now. I normally recommend both. Do it straight away and do another half when it's on the order. Okay, so that means you don't get missed out. So right now we are 39 now. So you don't get missed out on completely. So at least you get some position in. Okay. So I
Yeah.
always check the huge volume spike and take it from there. Okay. The huge volume spike is a price where it will normally bounce. So if I'm looking to short now, rather than shorting it straight away, I go back in time, look for the huge volume spike, take this as my resistance line to say to
Yeah.
myself that when it comes up here, it will go back down again. So I start shorting here. That's so much better. All right. Cool.
Okay.
Let's go to your order. You can see your order. You've placed your order here. You can see the order GTC means good till cancel. You can see there's a line there going on. That means that you have a trade going on there. And order will not charge you money. You will not charge any money until your price got executed. So that's how
Orders.
you do a trade. Now let's do cattle. I want you to do cattle for me. Do cattle. Now I'm not gonna say anything now. You're gonna do it. I'm gonna see how you do it. I will say something after everything.
No expense. Capital. So my question here is the highest spike, but that looks like a buy spike.
No, no, no. We are
is
shorting it. We are shorting cattle.
yeah,
Just
yeah, I know we're shorting it, but I
yeah,
mean, if I want to short it, then this one here
yeah.
is the one. No, actually, no.
Okay.
The
Mhm.
one here is the highest that I should have my
Where?
that should be my line. My
Where? Where? What number?
the number is uh
What's the price point?
price point. Um it's if here around the 22,600 mark, is that correct?
Show me a line. Show me a line. I think you
Um
22,600. Okay, show me properly. Show me the line. I want to see the line. I actually cannot see your line, but show me.
line. Um, so the line, if I look at where this high peak is here, so here, 22,786.5, is that
Why
correct?
do you choose that? Tell me
Well,
why.
because if I look at the volume, that's the highest
I
sell
agree. I
candle.
agree with you. That's good. Let's put a pending order there.
Pending order,
You
yeah.
can also do
So
one hour chart just to confirm. Let's do a 1 hour chart.
how do I do that?
Change it 5 minutes to 1 hour.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
1 hour.
Yeah, an
Uh,
hourly chart. Yeah. Beautiful.
okay.
So based on this, we don't really have a volume that's very clear here. So that's fine. There's no volume clear. Let's go back to 5 minute chart and put on the trade that you just say you want to put on. Go to 5 minute chart and do it. I'll wait for you.
Okay. Um, 6. Is that so I put the price level is 2276 786
Yes, beautiful.
and I need to press on sell. So basically when it comes up here, then it starts to short. Is that how I understand it? So if I place the limit order placed, um yeah, to look at my orders. Okay. Okay. And then position. I'm already 100. I'm already losing quite a lot of money actually. Anyway, so did I do it in the correct way? I can't hear you, Raven. I think your microphone is off.
I see you're
Oh, there
doing
we go.
really, really well. Yeah, I'm going to tell you what happened now. Well done. So first of all, you are doing an order here, and then this is your line. Hence, you draw a line here because this order is high. There's a potential someone is going to be talking about what about this line? Well, there's a potential that it might come up there before it start going back. There's a potential that might happen. Okay,
Mm,
going up there
mm.
before it's going up there like that before it's like coming back. There's a potential that's going to happen. So you're right. So there are two lines. The first line is 27. The second line is around here. Normally, I would do both. I would do a one position here, one position here. I will split.
So
Whatever amount I
this
have.
this line here is okay.
Yep.
So
So that's potentially what you can do. And you can do that. So once you do that, you go to
Thank you.
orders, you will see it. I was saying that your position is losing money just now is because, as you say, there are two ways to do it. The first way, we do the deal straight away. Where you say, oh, someone asked me to buy, you buy it straight away. No analysis, you just buy it straight away. That's what happened. Okay. So the problem with doing it straight away is that you will see some negative first because you didn't get in at the beautiful price. To get in at the beautiful price, because you're my one to because you're my training, to get into beautiful price, we teach you a powerful strategy. We didn't teach you this anywhere else. Is to put a pending order. Yes, put a pending order to look at where is the potential resistant line. So whenever it goes, it's more likely going to come back down. Whenever it goes, more likely going to come back down. That's a higher level of the training. And lots of people, they trade for 50 years. They never know how to do a pending order. Now you know how
Mm.
to do a pending order by finding the resistance line by using volume spike as your potential what's that called? As your potential
But
one and this one as your potential entry. So you put a position here. Show me you do another position on this. Yeah, show me.
so I put this one on
Yeah, so
here.
you go
So
to
there's
order. For those who are watching who don't understand, you go to order. Very good. And then what happened?
um do I need to put the price level? Do I need to put that on?
Yeah. What price do you want to put? At what price do you want to buy this? At what level do you want to buy this? We did it just now. What about this one? What level should we buy it?
Uh, Maybe we can do less. Maybe a 0.4. I
No,
don't
this
know.
fine. The size you can do one. That's fine. At this moment
Yeah.
in time, size you can do one. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So price level.
Yeah.
I'm a bit stuck here. Um,
Good. So let me show you. Just now you
okay.
chose this, and so we chose that 227.
Yeah.
Done it already. Remember? Now we
Yeah.
choose
Yeah.
another one here. So we're gonna do it around here. So you
This one. Oh, okay. Okay. So then my next line. Yes. Yes.
good. Very good. I
My
love that.
horizontal line. So if I look at this one, then here, I presume maybe this line. So if I get this correct, is here.
Mm-hmm.
It's the second line on 20, 22,134. So it's between those two lines, but I probably made a mistake. Or should I have looked at this line here,
That's good.
maybe?
Any line is fine. Just do it. Yep.
Okay. Look at this green one here. 20. I don't see that.
Ooh.
It's here. Is that correct? Did I do that right?
Yeah, beautiful. Carry on. You want to do the green line, yeah? The green line is taller. So you will do this line, the green line, and you do it like that.
Oh, okay.
That's kind of
So
your
this
line.
green line and this and this green line. Okay.
Yeah. I'm not so sure if you can see my screen. I was drawing on your screen. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm
Yeah,
talking,
yeah, I can see. I can see I can see when you draw on my screen. I can see
yeah.
it.
22400. That's the line.
224.
Why don't we use this line? Because this line is at the bottom. It's kind of already over. We just want to find the resistance line right now. Yeah?
Okay.
That's what happened.
So this line here. So it's warranty. No, no. Sorry, I made a mistake. Sorry, I need to do that again. Until this line here. That's the line. 22510.
Yeah? I accept that. That's good. potentially. That's good.
But
Did you put it?
I,
Put it.
yeah, I put the line in there. So,
Yeah, but do the order now.
okay. So that's, 225, and this was just 513. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then place the order.
Big cell first. Yeah.
So first, of course. So order
Awesome.
placed. Okay. But
Awesome.
the only thing I don't understand is why so many lines, so many horizontal lines.
Okay. Remove
Because,
all of them.
okay, remove.
Okay. So tell me what have you done so far? What have you done?
Well, I looked at all the peaks.
Okay.
So there was one cell peak here, this one. So
Mm-hmm.
I put the horizontal line there, here, there.
Mm-hmm.
Then I put at the beginning I went to this one. I put this one and this one as well, and I think this one I put as well. So I had like 5 lines. So if
Remove
I
everything.
just
Remove
get rid of
everything
all
first.
these,
Mm.
come on.
Okay. That line is your order line. That line is the line where you bought the stock. Okay. You
Yeah,
put
the
pending
stop
order.
limit line. Yeah,
Yeah, you can't remove that. I don't think so. You have put another line. I want you to do another order on. Okay, you have actually. Okay, good. Have you? Oh, not yet. Okay, let's do another order on this. On the highest volume, which is around here. Okay, do another order at this. It doesn't go through just now. Do it one more time. What you just did just now, do it one more time. The order. It didn't go
yeah.
through.
So I'm gonna put that one up here. It should be
Yep. But type it though. Do the order.
so the line.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's 22480. 22480. And then just do the cell and
Yeah.
then place the limit order as an order. Yeah, there you go. So I've done that. So I have 3 orders. So let me have a look. Coffee and 2 live cattle orders. Can you see that?
Awesome. Explain to me. What does each of these mean?
Well, they all 3 of them they sell, so they're short. So basically, we wait until we come to this particular level.
I love that. I
So,
love what you
so
just
those
said.
3 levels,
Mm,
and then from here onwards.
mm,
Um, the order starts, and
mm,
in terms of selling. So if it goes down, I
mm.
will make money. If it keeps going up, I will lose money.
Exactly. Exactly. You're right. Okay.
Okay.
You're so right. Question is, when do we take profit? That's always question people ask. When do we take profit, Raven? When do we take profit? I'm going to teach you now. I showed you already just now, but I'm going to show you. So, these strategies are a bit tricky. So usually we take profit on the support line. Okay, we take profit on the support line. So let's go to daily chart. So you see where to take profit. Go to daily chart.
Yeah. Daily. Okay.
Yep. And then where when you are here, so let's go to the support line. So how do we find the support line? I'm going to draw it for you. Okay, there's a few
Okay.
support line you can see here. Obviously, there could be one. Obviously, that could be two. Yeah, that could be the second one. Okay, that's support line. If we just understand technically, okay. So how do you know this is the one? There's a peak spike of volume here, so that could be around there as well. And then there's a peak spike of volume here, which is around there as well.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
spike of volume, it could be there as well, 2100. Okay. So what I like is normally I want to find the highest volume and I say that's my take profit zone. So for me personally, one of the highest volume that I've seen that is the shortest to where we are right now, that's closest to where we are right now, could be these and these. These are very similar in volume. I will show you. First is
Yeah.
like that. So this will be it. So it could be 2100. First profit. Second will be here around there. Also say 2100. 210 is a very strong take target line. Now, I also ask myself, because this is cattle, how much Trump wants it to lose? 25 to 21. That will be around how many percent? Let me see. 4 divided by 25, 10%. Let me see. 4 divided by 25. 4 divided by 25. 16%. Would Trump be happy with 60% drop of cattle? Yeah, that's
No.
good.
Would it? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right. It's not 16% is not huge, but it's okay. It's not the highest, it's not the lowest, it's like
Mm-hmm.
the middle. Obviously, you want it to drop like 30%, but 16 is good. Kind of in the middle. So this is good support, like 21. So you can just put a take profit at 21. Just go to order the cattle, take profit there, put it as 21.
This one here.
Yeah.
No, here?
Yeah.
21.
Yeah.
So do I need to do sell and then place order again?
No, just click order.
No.
Click it first. Did you click?
Order, yeah.
No, 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 no.
It's
Go
on
to the order at the bottom. Sorry. The
place order.
position that you're already on, you can do the order there. Position that you're already
Place
on here
this one here.
at the corner, on
Oh,
the
sorry.
left corner. Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Gotcha.
Order. Do you understand what I'm talking about? I'm talking, yeah,
Yeah.
awesome, awesome, really
Yes.
good, really, really good. So can you see it says limit here? There's a target. So the live
Yeah.
cattle limit, just put the limit that we just talked about just now. What's the limit? Put it there.
21.
Yeah.
And then the other one as well?
All right.
Oh,
What did you
sorry.
ask?
21. Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah.
So when I put it in, it says the limit level is too far from the current market
So the
price.
market right now is 21966. It says too far. What's that mean? Let me have a look. Latest limit is too far. Okay, let's drag it there. So click live cattle. Click on live cattle again. Yeah, let's see the trade ourselves. Yeah. Okay, let's do it ourselves. Yeah, open it. Open
So
it.
oh,
Open it big.
sorry.
Click add to workspace at the top. Yeah, really good. Add to workspace at the top. Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. So let's do it now. So this live cattle, what I want you to do, I want you to click GTC. Click on
GTC.
GTC. Click on this. Yep, here. Click on that. Click on it. Yeah. Okay, now I want you to drag this down. Click it and drag it down. Yep, drag it down. Click it and drag it down. Just click the limit and stop and drag it down. Click the limit
Like
and
this?
stop and
Do you
drag
see
it
what I'm
down.
doing?
I can't see what you're doing, but just click the limit and stop. No, 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 no. In the middle, you see there's a word called limit and stop. Did you see that?
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Ah,
Okay,
beautiful.
sorry.
Really beautiful. And then click it and
Limit
yes. So what limit do we want? We'll talk about how much do we want now. Just
2021.
awesome. Just do that.
Come on.
Yeah. That's what's gonna happen. Good. You put it on already. So you have the
Yeah.
first limit. So we have two orders, remember? Let's adjust both of them at the same time.
Okay.
GTC
This one.
and do the same thing as well. GTC, do the same thing on that one. Yeah. Click the GTC
Yeah. And
and then
then
drag
oh,
it.
do the
Ah,
same.
beautiful. You're very good. You're so good. Awesome. That means what? Explain to me what does that mean? Very good. Well done. What does that mean? what
Uh,
have you done in total?
so basically, this is the limit. So once it gets there,
Mm-hmm.
once the short gets there, it will stop.
Okay.
Is that correct?
So,
Or am
so
I?
you will take the money, basically. You will take the
Yeah,
profit and the money. That's the meaning.
yeah.
Yeah. That's the meaning of
Oh, that's quite good. Wow,
very
that I mean, this is really so helpful. Thank you, Raven. I'm
good.
really
You're welcome.
really enjoying it. Thank you so much.
Nice, nice. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you to talk about the money now. Okay, that's about like finances and stuff like that. So you know how to do it practically now. But let's talk about some money situation, so you understand about it. Okay.
Yeah.
So, you can see that means on this trade, let's go back on this trade. Let's go to the beginning now. Let's click, let's have a look. Let's click this for a second. Let's click that. Yeah. Click the first one, just the first one. Click on that.
The
Yeah, here, here.
daily. Oh, this one. Yeah.
Yeah,
Sorry.
awesome. So let's explain what that actually means. That means I'm going to explain to you. Because
Mm-hmm.
we do £1 per point, that means that if this stock comes all the way down from right now, 21 to 21, 29, 219 to there, you would have made £1,700 for your one order. Okay? You can see
Yeah.
this money here. But if both of them comes down at the same time, then you will have made £3,500. Okay? Now,
Okay.
I want to explain something um, continuously here. Now, when you put on a trade, they will ask you for your margin. So what does that mean? Let me show you. So if you click on sell,
So,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. You can see they ask you for a margin of 2,100. What is the margin? A margin is like a deposit, okay? It's a
It
deposit.
it
So they will give it back to you. It's not that they take your money. No, will give it back to you. It's just that in order to put on this trade, you kind of have to put the margin there just for fun. Okay. Just for them to hold it. Once you close the trade or anything happen, they will literally just give it back to you. Yeah. So, and yeah, but
so be
you'll be like, oh, 2,100 is very high. That's fine. We change this size to 0.04. Let's see what's the margin. Change this size to 0.04. Yeah, you can see the margin now is £84, and that's absolutely fine. That
yeah.
means you just need £84 to get on this trade. Yeah, margin doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean you're gonna lose the money. It's just that this particular platform just want to see your money. Like do you have actually have money? Like something like that. Yeah,
But that also means then that if I do 0.4,
your profit will not be
um,
so big. Yes,
well, the profit will be maybe £100 or something or
yeah,
whatever.
something like that.
Or
Yeah, so you put £84, you make £100 back. Something like that. You're absolutely
so
fine.
basically, whatever you put in, you can get back or you can lose. So if I would say I need to put a margin over 2,100, that means I can lose. The worst thing that can happen is that I lose that.
Yes,
But on
that's the
the o-
worst thing that's gonna happen.
but on the other hand,
Mm.
I can make £3,500 as well.
Exactly. You got it. And then you double, you double, you double, you double. By the time you double, you don't need to work anymore. Make sense? But you have to
Yeah,
do it in the first side, so you have to do it with the hand holding. We have to do it together with you. Hence why we are here.
yeah, yeah. I
Okay.
mean that's it. I think once I do it more and I
And we
get the
will do
hang
a
of
stop
it.
loss as well. We will do a stop loss. Usually, I've done the target for you.
Okay.
Usually, I will do a stop loss. My stop loss will just be at the top here, where the price where it will never hit. Okay, at the top there. So stop loss, I mean, you protect your stop loss. You don't lose any. Even though you put £84, maximum you're gonna lose like a limited amount because we have a stop loss in place. Make sense? But
So how? So I put the stop in
you
there.
don't need to
I
do
do that.
this, but for you don't need to do this for trade that we are doing it together. Very high conviction trade. You know, we're gonna make it right anyway. So those we don't need the stop loss for them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So if you're really interested to put a stop loss, you can. So click on this, click on the middle again,
Oh, yeah.
and drag it up to 25. Drag it up to 25. Drag it up.
Okay.
Awesome. So that will be your stop loss. So your limit will be 21 kind of, and your target will be 24. Like that will
Okay.
be kind of like your stop loss. This is why we ask our students to buy in there already. So that when you bought it there, your stop loss is very close. You only have very small stop loss. If you buy it right at the bottom, when you short it right at the bottom, then it's just a bit tricky. Short means sell. It's exactly the same thing as buying, but it's just everything is opposite. Make sense? So
Yeah.
let's talk about
Yeah.
your homework. So how do you feel?
Well, I feel more relieved. I feel more positive now that you have showed that to me because I didn't really understand it. But now I kind of do. So if I want to understand it again, I can look again at this video. Then because
Exactly.
we're recording it, so that's so
Exactly.
I
I
can.
recommend you to do 10 of trades like that. Okay. Or the same thing, like the cartel and all of that, do 10 of them. Okay. Like coffee, do 10 of them. They put 10 position on. So you practice, oh, this is where I put in a position. Oh, this is what happened. So you get used to it. So you get confident in it. Well, so once you get confident on it, and then yeah, and that's what
So
happens. So
for
what about
so
real
so
money? Okay, let's talk about if let's say you want to put some real money and stuff like that. You can deposit however much you can, but the right entry, if you're using real money, it's just gonna be even more safe now. The right entry, you don't have to put it now. You can wait for when the time comes. The right entry for real money, the first one will be 23 for cattle. Okay, 23 for cattle because it's a very high volume here. On the
yeah.
on the daily chart, a lot of our students already make a lot of money as well. But yeah, on here on the volume chart, on the coffee, you also look at the high volume. It will probably be around 380 for coffee. Okay?
So say, can you repeat that? Sorry, because I want to write that down.
Sure. For real money, you want to put on the highest volume. And for this case, it's just 2-3 in cattle. 2-3. Can you see?
Hi,
The screen.
it's
Look at the screen.
two trees. Yeah, I'm doing
The
that.
high volume there. So you
Yeah,
figure it out yourself by looking at the volume that I just showed you. Yeah,
yeah.
the screen. So there's a
So
real money.
this is one of my homeworks, or but not with
Yeah,
real money. Or
put some real money in, just fine. When the
okay,
time comes, when the time comes, you might not even get triggered though. The trade might not even get triggered. But I'm just telling you when the time comes.
okay. So what does that mean when the time comes? I can do
So
it later.
yeah, that means now it's very far. Now it's 2-1. When it comes to 2-3, you put your money in.
Okay,
Okay? Now it's only 2-1.
okay. Yeah, now at the moment it's 2-1, but if it comes to 2-3,
Yeah. What
then
about
I
coffee?
put the short again. You mean?
Yes. What about coffee? Let's have a look. What price should you sell coffee at? Go to coffee and have a look.
Well, that was this is cattle and then coffee
Mm-hmm.
23 and coffee. Okay, let me have a look. Come on. So there's a coffee here.
Yeah. Beautiful.
So that's
Go to daily
so
chart.
the
Go to daily chart.
daily chart.
Tell me what price should we sell coffee at? What price? Okay, daily chart is not clear. Go to like hourly chart, 1 hour, 1 hour. And you tell me which price should we do?
Well, to short, I think we should look at this one here, the
Um,
highest.
okay, that's good, but you might not get there. Let's do
Okay,
another second
so
highest.
that this one, that's the second highest in law in or this one, this is the green one.
Which one?
I'm thinking or
Um, I would
the red
say,
one or
okay, let
the
me let
green
me
one.
calculate for you, okay? I would say a
Okay.
safe one to do will be that. You're right. This one. So you can use real money to short coffee at 3.9 something.
So that is if I put the horizontal line there,
Mm-hmm.
that comes down to
3.9. Agree. Yeah.
uh
Around that 3.8. Yeah.
wait a minute.
So that's where
Let
the
me
real money.
do what do you always do you always put the cross on the top of the candle or the bottom of the candle?
It
I
depends on
presume
you.
the
I'll normally do middle at the bottom just to be safe. Safe, I will be
okay,
bottom. Make sure I get in to the trade.
okay, okay. So that's 38,565 then.
Awesome. Very good. Well, that's it for now. That's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be, let me give you the homework. The homework is
Yeah.
you will be placing 20 trades using
Wait
exactly
a
what
minute.
we taught just now. Anything, just practice it, just so that you do it, you feel it, so that when the
So
real
that's
time comes, when the real, because next time I'm going to recommend you some more powerful trade, and I want you to get involved, yeah, because you just joined. I know you just joined. You are a complete beginner, but after this lesson, next time ask you to get into a trade, I want you to be involved. Turn on a notification on the group. I want you to
yeah.
get buy and sell because you know, the next time I ask you to buy, it's probably extreme fear already. So you kind of want to get ready. Yeah.
Just I mean, yeah, I know that you can't put a perfect date on it, but what in terms of the experience that you have,
Mhm.
when do you think that there
It
will
depends. It
the
depends on
like?
what Trump is going to say. You can't ask me this. Yeah. It's very difficult.
Yeah, I know.
It can be
Okay,
tomorrow. It can be next week. It can be a few weeks from now.
so 20 trades is a 20 shorting
Yeah. Show and buy. Do both together. Anything.
and buy, and so based on okay, it plays 20 trades, shorting and buying. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, I'll do my best, and I'll start tonight or tomorrow morning early. And
Nice. Sure. First of all, how does it sound so far?
well, that the great thing about you is like every time I speak with you, like the first time as well when you showed me the Finviz and all that stuff, I was like lights are popping up, and I go like, wow. And that's why I invested so much in
I love
myself
that.
here with
I
you
love that.
because I think I think I think you're the best person to go to. I think I've looked at others as well, but I
Mm.
just don't you don't get that same kind of feeling. And I
Yeah.
know it's expensive, but if it works out, then at
Exactly.
least
That's the whole point.
I'll be I can retire maybe at some point.
Exactly.
And that's the point. I do want to retire now that I
Well,
so I will work hard towards that.
congratulations to you, by the way. Well
Uh,
done for
Thank you, man.
yeah for
So
getting.
yeah, all this information was great. So I will do my trades and yeah, I'll show you. I'll show
Okay,
you.
yeah, show me. Take a screenshot once you've done it. Any questions, just let me know. I'm always here for you. You know that, yeah. So whenever time is ready, we will just do everything together. Yeah. I hope you
Thank
feel
you.
really, really well soon. I know it's not easy to feel well. I know you have lots of things going on with your family and stuff like that. Yeah. And the good news about time is gonna solve all problems that you have. And I really wish you really, really well. But the good news is, let's get good at this so that life gets easier as well. If you want to keep yourself busy, as I say, I recommend you to keep yourself busy as well. Yeah. So good. Let me know once you've done the homework. And so I'll speak to you very soon. Just use the link to how you book a call as well. All right.
Okay. Thank you very much,
You're
Raymond.
welcome.
Take